How's it going out there? Thank you. We are the Simple Plans, and this is Singing in the Rain.
I'm reading through the Sunday paper and it's all bad news. I'm looking for a smile on the streets, but it's just no use. Sing with me now. I jump into my car, turn the key, but it just won't start. No, it just won't start. I got a text from my ex, it's official, she just broke my heart. Storm clouds are circling around, but I won't let that shit drag me down. So I'll be singing, I'll be singing, I'll be singing, I'll be singing in the rain. So I'll be singing, I'll be singing, I'll be singing in the rain. I got a song in my heart and I'm bulletproof. There's nothing in the world that's gonna kill this mood. No matter what life wants to throw my way, I'll be singing in the rain. I went to see a fortune teller and she said I'm doomed. But what the hell does she know? Why she tryna break my groove? All of life's colors turn to gray, then you turn around and you smile my way. Suddenly all my problems disappear on cue. All because of you. Storm clouds are circling around, but I won't let that shit drag me down. So I'll be singing, I'll be singing, I'll be singing, I'll be singing in the rain. So I'll be singing, I'll be singing, I'll be singing in the rain. I got a song in my heart and I'm bulletproof. There's nothing in the world that's gonna kill this mood. No matter what life wants to throw my way, I'll be singing in the rain. Storm clouds are circling around, but I won't let that shit drag me